let's look at a binomial expansion when we have coefficients other than 1, and these are to the 4th power. So first off, I'm going to go up here and do the following. My exponents of x and y. Well, first off, the x's are always going to start with what's the exponent there, 4. So they're all going to start with a 4. And notice I'm going to start with 0 and go up until I get to 4 because that's how many y's are in each of these. So what I'm going to do now is this. Remember that's 4, and basically I'm not taking any away here. So that means the 4's are going to cancel out, giving me 1. Here I'm going to put a 4 up there with 1, 4, and 1 number right there. Now this time it's a 4. I'm going to write 4 times 3, only 2 numbers. And then I'm going to have the 1 and 2, which makes 6. And here this 4, 3, I'm going to write the first 4 numbers over the 3. But notice the 3 and 2's are going to cancel, leaving me 4. And here when I have the 4, 4, I know it's going to be 1 because the 4's are going to end up canceling out. But now what's different is this. As I go to my first power, it's not just an x, it's a 2x. So I have to take, I'm going to have this 1 times 2x then to the 4th power. Plus now I'm going to have this 4 for my second term in front times 2x cubed times the negative 3 because I have 1y. And now this time I'm going to have the third term, I'm going to have the 6 in front. The 2x is now squared. Notice the exponents are going down. And the negative 3 is going up. So now I have it squared. And in the next one, I'm going to have that 4, right? Right there it is, the 2x minus 3 cubed. And then for the fourth one, we have this 1. There's no x's and negative 3 cubed. And this first term right here, if I take 1 times 2x to the 4th, well, that's also 2 to the 4th power, makes 16x to the 4th. Here I've got to take 2x and cube it. Well, that's going to make 8x times 4 times negative 3 makes a negative 96x cubed. Here I have to take 2 and square it with the x squared, and then negative 3 squared is going to make 9, so I'm going to have 4 times 9 times 6, or 216x squared. Here I'm just going to have the 1, 2x, but notice the negative 3 is cubed, so it's negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is negative 27 times 2 times 4, negative 216. And then once here I have this negative 3 to the 4th power, so that's going to be a positive 81 times the plus 1 makes 81. So there is our particular answer. Now, what is nice is as I look at this next problem, this x minus 2y, my coefficients up here are exactly the same. But what changed is my x went from 2x just to x. So notice I have the same numbers, but the 2x is now an x. But instead of a minus 3 here for the y, it is now a minus 2y. So as I plug these in, that's going to be an x to the 4th. Here I'm going to have a negative 2 times 4, just negative 8. Notice x cubed and 1y. Here I have this negative 2 squared, which would be a positive 4 times 6 will make 24, x squared, y squared. Woo! Now, negative 2 to the 3rd is negative 2 times negative 2 times which makes negative 8 times 4, so I'll have a negative 32x and a y cubed. And here the negative 2 to the 4th power would be a positive 16 times the 1, 16y to the 4th. That is how we actually can use these values right here, all right, to kind of help do these things a little more quickly. There was an expansion of 4 where the coefficients were not 1.